Hello everyone! Good to see you again. This is the rubric Did You Know? Today let's learn different farewells in English. Let's start. Formal farewells. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Have a great day. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. Take care. Take care. Informal. Bye. Bye. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. Catch you later. Catch you later. Take it easy. Take it easy. I've got to go. I've got to go. Have a good one. Have a good one. Okay, take care. See you next time.